Hello, my name is Kevin, and I'll tell you a little bit about this project. In some universities, professors may use intrusive or inefficient methods of taking attendance, and in some cases, they may even use paper-based attendance sheets. Mm. With this tablet-based attendance system, college and university professors would be able to have their roll call process be more streamlined and more automated for their students, and based on their professor, even take grades based on their attendance. All their students need to do is just click their name and sign. Their professors won't even need to print out a roster sheet for every class period, and they'll have the data recorded in one location instead of manually recording in stuff like Excel or any other type of software.
Hi, I'm Roger. I'll be talking about our target customers and the existing and competing solutions. Our target customers are colleges and universities. As was mentioned by my fellow teammate, our system will be used by both the instructors and students at the colleges and universities. There are alternative solutions to the problem, but the issues with the current solutions are that they are often quite expensive to develop and implement, and they often use quite invasive and complicated biometrics and student authentication methods. Our system will take a simpler yet effective approach to student authentication and attendance fraud prevention, which will make our system more feasible than the alternatives.
Hi, my name is Khalil Garrett, and I will be discussing the feasibility of creating a tablet-based attendance system. Our system most definitely can be built. We have access to the necessary hardware, a tablet, so we're able to see how our application runs in real time on an actual tablet. Additionally, we have access to the Desire to Learn API, so we can explore how to integrate our application into online learning management systems. As my previous group members have mentioned, digital attendance systems have been created in the past, but they often sacrifice ease of use for security. Our system only requires a signature from the student to sign in, so our technical challenge is ensuring our system is secure without compromising ease of use. My next two team members will go into more details on our system requirements.
All right, cool. Hey class, my name is Isaac.
Hey, what's up?
And today we'll be discussing real quick just over the system architecture of our tablet-based attendance. So ideally, we would like for those to interact with the tablet to record attendance for class. Ideally, the folks who would get with this would be the student and the teacher. So when the interface comes about for the user to have a good experience with the tablet, it would just be generally like the attendance will come up with the students in the class. Ideally, the teacher would come first, log in, that way the right class session is in. So then the student will come find their name, then they'll do another check, just have their signature, make sure it's them, no bots allowed. And then we'll confirm it with them. And then once it's confirmed, all the information that's recorded on the tablet will be passed back to the backend. And I will pass it to Seth.
So once we pass it to the back end, we're going to store it in roughly this format. The main things we want is the date, whether they attended or not, and their signature. So if there's any issue with fraud, the teacher can look at that. The API specifically, what we want to focus on is attendance analytics, and then also automated warnings that get passed to the tablet so a student knows if they've missed too many classes and they might be in danger of failing the class. We're going to use iCollege to get the roster that's going to pass it to our API, which will then pass it to the tablet. And then we'll also use our API with the attendance analytics to pass the attendance grade to iCollege whenever the teacher wants.